How to use Amazon AU Prime benefits in 2026. So the very first thing that you need to do is obviously get into your Amazon, or you can get into your Amazon Prime and sign up for the Prime membership. So that's all you need to do. So obviously you might have done that by simply creating your account, right? So after doing that, what we're going to do is browse for the exact item that you want to buy. So in here, if I simply browse through my home screen of my Amazon shopping, here you'll be able to see a shop Prime day deals, right? So these are all of the items that currently has the Prime deal. So let's just say I want to shop all deals, right? So I'm going to go through it. So in here you can see these are all of the items that currently has the deal in it. So you can select the exact item that you want to buy. Let's just say I want to buy this particular item, that I'm going to select it. Then from here, what I'm going to do is, you can see this is the deal price and this is the regular price. So obviously I'm going to select the deal price, and then from there what I'm going to do is simply add it to my wish list. Or then if you do have the immediate buying option, you can now select the option of order now, and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to order it. And just like that, you'll be able to use your Amazon AU Prime benefits. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.